And one of the key things, you should probably write this down, guys, when we're framing data, is we want to use the same measurement. And then if we really want to stack it, what we can actually do, because for the front part of the data, he was giving us his monthly revenue, not weekly revenue. I would personally say, so given that you're at $8,000 a month right now, and it sounds like you've got an additional 100 hours a month to generate leads, last month, what did you do with those 100 hours to try and get more business? Notice how the whole picture now is like $8,000 a month, 100 extra hours a month, not doing anything with that time. You're really making the guy feel guilty and shameful that he doesn't know what he's doing. So it's a minor thing. If you'd have done what you did, it would absolutely work. But we want
I see
to
that that's adding a lot more weight to it.
yeah.
It's like, oh fuck.
Yeah,
You're going to use
$10
this
versus
data.
25.
It's like framing the data.
Correct. And one of the key things, you should probably write this down, guys, when we're framing data, is we want to use the same measurement. What I mean by that is
All
if
right,
you were
'cause I like
trying
the months and then
correct. If you were trying to compare the speed of two cars and you said this car goes blank miles per hour and this car goes blank kilometers per hour, it becomes very complicated for you to try and figure out, well, which car's quicker? You want the prospect's mind to be full of clarity. So I'm going to compare car A that goes 70 miles an hour with car B that goes 60 miles an hour. Which car's faster? Well, it's obviously car A. Whereas if you're comparing different time periods and different variables, gets a little bit complicated. Okay, so you're making $8,000 a month. You've got an additional 25 hours a week. Now we've got these like weeks, months, years, decades, like all of these different variables going on. Let's just keep it simple. You make 8K a month, you've got 100 hours a month. What are you doing with those 100 hours? Or what did you do last month with those 100 hours? Oh, I don't know. What do you mean you don't know? You go on vacation? No. What did you do? I can't answer that question. Well, it sounds like that's the problem then. Do you have a plan? No. You think that's the problem? Yes. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. To generate leads. Just make the wording a little bit more crystalline. Your problem is leads and you have a massive amount of time to get leads. Did you connect those two things together? Okay.
So instead of like, what did you do? It's like, did you even do anything? Yes or no?
Well, you could say, what did you do? But what did you do with those 100 hours to get leads? String
so like
it
starting with the pain point rather than the data.
It's just not leaving it vague at the end. Instead of saying, what did you do? It's, okay, you had 100 hours to generate leads. What did you do with those 100 hours to generate leads? There's no wiggle room in, I'm not asking you, what did you do with 100 hours? I'm asking you, what did you do with 100 hours to generate leads, given that that's why we're on this phone call? How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed, but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.